In the vast tapestry of ancient texts, few creatures inspire as much intrigue and wonder as the behemoth. Mentioned in the Bible, this beast has puzzled scholars, theologians, and historians for centuries. Today, we embark on a journey to uncover the mysteries of the behemoth, exploring its biblical origin, real-life counterparts, and connections to ancient cultural myths and legends. Our primary source for behemoth comes from the book of Job, one of the oldest books in the Bible. In Job chapter 40, verses 15 through 24, God speaks to Job, describing the behemoth in vivid detail. Look at the behemoth, which I made along with you, and which feeds on grass like an ox. What strength it has in its loins, what power in the muscles of its belly. Its tail sway like a cedar. The sinews of its thighs are close-knit. Its bones are tubes of bronze. Its limbs like rods of iron. This description paints a picture of immensely powerful and a majestic creature. But what exactly was the behemoth? Let's explore some of the most common interparts. One prevalent theory is that the behemoth represents a hippopotamus. This massive grass-eating animal fits many aspects of the biblical description. Hippos are known for their strength, and they spend much of their time in rivers, aligning with the behemoth habit in the text. Another interpretation suggests that the behemoth could be an elephant. Elephants, with their enormous size, powerful muscles, and herbivorous diet, also match the description. The phrase, tail sways like a cedar, might be poetic imagery rather than literal description. Some scholars and enthusiasts have even speculated that the behemoth might refer to a now extinct creature, such as a dinosaur or a mammoth. The immense size and strength described could fit these prehistoric giants. Throughout history, various scholars have delved into the symbolism and significance of the behemoth. In theological studies, the behemoth is often seen as a representation of God's power in creation, a symbol of the natural world's untamed strength. In the context of the book of Job, behemoth serves as a reminder of God's omnipotence. The detailed description emphasizes that even the mightiest creatures are part of God's creation, beyond human control or understanding. The answer lies in exploring a wealth of ancient Near Eastern myths and legends. Many cultures have their version of powerful, chaotic beasts. For instance, in the Mesopotamian mythology, there is a creature, Humbaba, guardian of the cedar forest, who shares traits with the behemoth in terms of strength and fearsome presence. These myths often feature creatures that embody the untamed forces of nature. The similarities between the behemoth and other mythological beasts suggest a shared cultural understanding of nature's power and the divine. This cross-cultural perspective enriches our comprehension of the behemoth's role in the ancient world. The behemoth's legacy extends beyond religious texts. It has appeared in various works of art, literature, and even popular culture, continuing to captivate and inspire. Whether it is a hippopotamus, an elephant, a prehistoric giant, or a symbolic figure, behemoth remains a powerful testament to the wonders of creation. It challenges us to ponder the mysteries of our world and the divine forces that shape it. As we reflect on the behemoth's place in history and mythology, we are left with one lingering question. Are there any ancient cultural myths or legends that provide further insight into the concept of behemoth? Indeed, there are. The concept of the behemoth finds echo in various ancient myths and legends, often featuring powerful, chaotic creatures that embody the untamed forces of nature. Let's explore a few notable examples. Mesopotamian mythology, Humbaba, the monstrous guardian of the cedar forest, anointed by the god Enlil, shares traits with behemoth. Described as a giant with terrifying features and immense strength, Humbaba represents the untamed aspects of nature. Similarly, with the Canaanite mythology, the Lotan, a primordial sea serpent linked with chaos and destruction, often associated with the god Yam and opposed by Baal. Lotan's depiction as a multiple-headed dragon parallels Behemoth's embodiment of natural power. In Egyptian mythology, Apep, the serpent god of chaos, battles against the god Ra. Apep's depiction as a giant serpent and his association with chaos reflects the symbolic battle between order and chaos seen in the behemoth. Greek mythology offers Typhoon, a monstrous giant with 100 dragon heads. As one of the deadliest creatures in Greek myths. Typhoon personifies chaotic and destructive forces, much like Behemoth. In the Hittite mythology, Ilyanka, a serpent or dragon battling the storm god Torhan, symbolizes the struggle between chaos and order, similar to the elements of the Behemoth. These myths share themes with biblical Behemoth, highlighting the raw, untamed power of nature and its potential for chaos. Exploring these ancient legends enriches our understanding of the Behemoth and its symbolic role in the ancient world. Thank you for joining me on this journey into the past, exploring the enigma of the Behemoth. If you enjoyed this exploration, please like, share, and subscribe for more deep dives into ancient texts and their mysteries. Until next time.